What's going on YouTube? This is Vlad here, and today is the last day of the year, which means I'm recording a special episode just for you where you can learn how to get a free Disney Plus and Netflix account. Before we get into the video, make sure you smash that like button for me, also subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. You will learn a lot of good ways on how to make money online on this channel and also other tricks and tips that will better your everyday life. As we got this out of the way, let's transfer to my studio and see what I have to say. Oh, you're here. Come closer. Come on. Alright, so let's get it right into this and I'll teach you how to get free Netflix and Disney Plus accounts or any other subscription that you can ever think of. So first you go on this website that's called netflix.com. We're gonna take Netflix as an example. So you enter your email. Also, you select the plan. So watch closely and make sure in this section you choose premium plan. I'll explain to you why in a second. So the premium plan costs you $16, $15.99, and it allows screens you can watch on at the same time. It allows you 4 screens. All right, so we put on a spreadsheet, we put Netflix account that's cost you $16. All right, you press continue. You also finish and setting up. So now what you're gonna do, all right, we're gonna put this in Excel. We're done with this. All right, so after you sign up for a premium, all you need to do from now on to make this work, you need to find 3 friends that watch Netflix. If you don't have 3 friends that watch Netflix, you can go online and you can find people who actually have Netflix accounts, and you take the $16 and let me show you. All right, so you created this Netflix account, right? And it's costing you $16 a month. So now you have 3 friends. Let's put friends. And okay, let's make it a little bit larger. Let me show you, stay tuned. I'm going to show you the way you can scale it and you can actually make money by doing nothing and making the passive income coming in to you every single month by pretty much doing nothing. All right, so let's say friend number 1 is going to be Alex, friend number 2 is going to be John, and friend number 3 is going to be Mary, right? So each of these friends, in order for you to get the free Netflix account, they need to pay $5.33 every single month, $5.33. So you can run it up to $6 and just move it for everybody. So total, all right, let's do this math really quick. Of course, everybody knows what it is. So total, every month, you're going to be getting $18 from them, which means you will get every month you will get $2 of profit of actually owning Netflix account. Have you ever thought of this? This is a simple strategy. It's just a New Year's giveaway. You can just find 3 friends and you can start making money and getting the account for free. So you can actually scale this method and you can take the $16 and you can actually take yourself out of the equation, create 10 different accounts and find people who will pay you $6 every single month to have Netflix account. Just manage the relationship and you can make extra $100 to $200 a month. It depends. It can scale to infinity. All right, so here's the strategy. It's very simple. All you gotta do, you take the cost and you split it in between 3 friends. Each friend will pay $6 towards the account, and you will actually be walking out with a $2 extra every single month. But this is not a video about how you can make lots of money from it. This is a New Year's episode. I'm just trying to teach you how you can get these accounts for free. And every dollar helps. So you should not neglect any of the monthly subscription or any of the expenses that coming out of your pocket every single month. You should be treating it very seriously and very carefully, because little things that actually add up over time make big difference. If you want to make money with this method, find more expensive subscriptions and find people who are willing to pay for it a little bit less. You can do it pretty much with any subscription. Just share it with people who are willing to pay for it. And of course, you might ask me, like, what if they change the password? Just make sure you protect yourself. Make sure you create an email address connected to your phone, or do some other steps in order for you to protect yourself from being scammed, so to speak. In most cases, all of the accounts are bind to your email, and your password from the accounts is different from the email. So of course, they can change the password inside the account, but they cannot change it. They cannot steal it away from you. So what you can do, if somebody is actually trying to change the password and take it all for themselves, you can just kick this person out and find somebody who's actually going to be trustworthy and paying on time. Okay, thanks very much to everyone who watched this video until the end, and Happy New Year's. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this 2019 was actually good for you. And I wish that 2020 would be the best year of your life. That all your dreams come true, everything that you wish happened this year will happen in 2020. And if you enjoyed this video at least a little bit, do me a favor or give me a New Year's present. Smash that like for me, and also subscribe to the channel. You'll get a lot of good stuff. I'm developing this channel every single day, and I'm putting a lot of work into this. Please support it, write comments, subscribe to the channel, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you next year.